Students, now exercise 1.1 fourth question. If A is equal to set of all 5, 6, B is equal to set of all 4, 5, 6, C is equal to set of all 5, 6, 7, show that A cross A is equal to B cross B intersection C cross C. Students, first you have to take and write the given values. Set A value. A is equal to set of all 5, 6. B equal to set of all 4, 5, 6. C is equal to set of all 5, 6, 7. We want to prove LHS. A cross A. A cross A. First you have to find LHS A cross A is equal to. So that is A cross A. A value is 5, 6. So that is you have to write 5, 6 into. First you have to write A cross A 5, 6 into 5, 6. So that is 5, we have to make a Cartesian product 5, 5, then 5, 6, then 6, 5, 6, 6. So it is called it as equation number 1. It is equation number 1. Then you have to find B cross B. So you have to take and write the B value 4, 5, 6. That is 4, 5, 6 cross 4, 5, 6. Then you have to make a Cartesian product. That is this 4 make pair with these elements 4, 4, 4, 5, 4, 6. Then 5, 4, 5, 5, 5, 6. Then 6, 4, 6, 5, 6, 6. It is called it as equation number 2. Then you have to find C cross C. C cross C, that is 5, 6, 7 cross 5, 6, 7. You have to make a Cartesian product 5, 5, 5, 6, 5, 7. Then 6, 5, 6, 6, 6, 7. Then 7 make pair with these elements 7, 5, 7, 6, 7, 7. It is called it as equation number 3. For a RHS value B cross B intersection C cross C, you have to find the common values. Intersection means that is a common values. What are the common values from equation number 2 and 3? 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 5 and 6, 6. These are the common elements. So it is called it as equation number 4. So from 1 and 4, A cross A is equal to B cross B intersection C cross C is proved. Next exercise 1.1 fifth question. Given A is equal to set of all 1, 2, 3, B equal to set of all 2, 3, 5, C is equal to set of all 3, 4 and D is equal to set of all 1, 3, 5. Check if A intersection C cross B intersection D is equal to A cross B intersection C cross D is true. Students, first you have to take and write the values. A equal to set of all 1, 2, 3, B equal to set of all 2, 3, 5, C is equal to set of all 3, 4, D equal to set of all 1, 3, 5. Now we have to check A intersection C cross B intersection D is equal to A cross B intersection C cross D. First we have to consider the LHS value A intersection C and B intersection D. A intersection C. So that is A value set of all 1, 2, 3 intersection set of all 2, 3, 5. For intersection means common element. For which is the common element? 3. Next you have to find B intersection D. So that is 2, 3, 5 intersection 1, 3, 5. Common elements 3, 5. Take and write. Now we have to find A intersection C cross B intersection D. So A intersection C values 3. Cross B intersection D value what we found? 3, 5. Now you have to make a cross product for these two sets. So that is 3, 3, 3, 5. It is called it as equation number 1. Next in RHS we have to find A cross B intersection C cross D. So A cross B first you have to find. A values, set A values, set of all 1, 2, 3 cross, set of all 2, 3, 5. Now you have to make a Cartesian product. This 1 pair with these 3 elements, then 2 pair with these 3 elements, 3 pair with these 3 elements. So that is 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 5. Then 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 5. Then 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 5. Okay. Next, you have to find this C cross D. C cross D. C set value 3, 4. D set value 1, 3, 5. Now you have to make a cross product. So that is 3, 1, 3, 3, 3, 5, 4, 1, 4, 3, 4, 5. Now you have to find A cross B intersection C cross D. The common elements is 3, 3 and 3, 5. The common elements are 3, 3 and 3, 5. From 1 and 2, A intersection C cross B intersection D is equal to A cross B intersection C cross D. So is verified.